Oh, hi! Oh, look at you! Hello! Hello!
Oh, you got my video?
Hi! Aren't you beautiful?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I could have kissed right away! Hi! Oh! Hi, buddy! Oh, there's cookies in there. What do you say? Are you a cookie monster? Oh, let's get him off the road. Hi, handsome! Oh my goodness! Oh my God! You are gorgeous! So handsome! What a beautiful boy! Perfect! Oh, look at you! Look at you! Wait, look! Cookie? Can you sit?
So he knows what look means, so he'll look at you, your forehead, if you ask him
Look
to.
at that nice sit! What a good boy! Oh, that's a good boy. Nice sit.
He's a
Hello?
really nice
Can you
dog.
say hello? No?
Who's that?
Oh, look, he's very calm. You're so sweet. Is there a lot going on? You wondering what's happening? Yes, you're a handsome boy.
Oh, look at that. Is that your call? Did that just fall for him, or you?
That's his new.
That's his new one?
Okay.
Oh,
Look, what's that? Bo.
awesome.
We thought Bo, short for Bolt.
Sure, we call him Bolty because he's a total
Bolton.
baby. We're like Bolty.
Aw.
Like just we call it because he's a big baby. Wait.
Are you a big baby?
I'm a big baby.
Are you a big baby? Look, what do you see?
Cool.